My name's Durland. I'm professor of epidemiology at the Yale School of Public Health. My laboratory has developed a application for the iPhone on Lyme disease. The best feature is a georeferenced map of the distribution of tick species that can cause Lyme disease. This is our current location here in New Haven, Connecticut. And it says in the bottom here, from this GPS location, it's checked the database and gives you a value for how abundant these ticks are. And it says infected ticks at your location are abundant. Once a person determines that they're in a location where there are ticks that can cause Lyme disease, there's a section in there that tells you how to identify ticks, how to tell ticks that cause Lyme disease from other kinds of ticks that don't cause Lyme disease. This shows you images of the black-legged tick, also called the deer tick, which is the main species of ticks that transmits Lyme disease. And these are the different stages. If one finds a tick on them, or on their pet, or in the environment, they can just put that tick right on top of the screen and match it up with the images of ticks that the iPhone application provides. And it tells you what species of tick you have, and it tells you what stage of the tick you have. If you're bitten by a tick, it tells you how to remove the tick. There's a description, step-by-step description. There's also a video, about a 40-second video that shows you how ticks, the proper way to remove a tick once it's attached. After the tick's removed, there's another section that tells you information on how long that tick has been attached, because the probability of transmission of Lyme disease by a tick increases with the time it's fed, the time it has been attached. And this has, I think, really important public health implications, because Lyme disease doesn't occur everywhere in the country. It only occurs in certain locations where infected ticks are abundant. More than half the country, there's absolutely no risk of Lyme disease. So people can immediately determine whether or not there's ticks where they presently are, or even where they intend to travel. It'll immediately tell them whether or not there are ticks in that particular area that can cause Lyme disease. You can download this app from the Apple iTunes store, or you can just Google Lyme disease iPhone app and you'll find it on the web.